It's the spooky time of year. There are little goblins knocking on your door asking for candy, horror movies on TV, and year-end tax planning. The tax planning part doesn't have to be scary if you select the right professional. Unfortunately, not everyone does that. So sit back and be prepared to be terrified by 3 scary stories of 3 local rogue tax preparers compliments of the IRS. And number 1, we have the tax credit thief. In 2013, a man was sentenced to 27 months in prison, 3 years of supervised release in order to pay over $100,000 in restitution to the IRS. Why? Well, while working for a Memphis tax preparation company, he claimed false tax credits, such as the first-time home buyer's credit, the earned income credit, and the education credit. And he reported these false income figures that resulted in tax refunds being generated for which he and other individuals were not entitled, and then they would split the refunds generated by the false returns. Next, the guy that pretended to be a CPA. In 2011, a man was sentenced in Nashville to 24 months in prison, 1 year of supervised release, in order to repay the IRS over $167,000 for false claims, credits, and deductions that he fraudulently obtained. And this gentleman was pretending to be a CPA for 3 years. The returns claimed numerous false deductions and various credits for fuel, education, and telephone excise tax credits for which he and the clients were not entitled. He had 3 tax preparation businesses in Middle Tennessee, and he also trained his employees to enter tax credits on clients' tax returns even though they were not entitled to claim them. Last but not least, the same-day tax fraud. Also in 2011, a Memphis man was sentenced to 64 months in prison, as well as 3 years of supervised release, and he had to repay almost $3.5 million to the IRS. He was running a tax scheme through his business, Money in Your Hand Tax Service, and he and other preparers under his direction included the first-time homebuyer credits as well as other tax credits and falsehoods that they claimed. And then they received a cut of the fraudulent refund by the IRS, and they deposited it directly into their own accounts. So if you want to make sure that you're not under the spell of a fraudulent tax preparer, call GreenoCPA.